Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to run AI models locally using Ollama. So first of all, go to their official site, Ollama. Then, after you do that, go to download Ollama. Don't bother with this. Just go to download Ollama. Here you will be able to pick your preferred platform. For me, I'm on Windows, so we go Windows and we press download. And then you will get this .exe. Already have it installed, so I won't waste time with it. After you install it, basically do just next, you'll get something like this. Now, you might be saying, this isn't Ollama. Ollama is in the terminal or something. I've seen all of the others using the terminal. And you're right. This is simply just a chat interface to make it easy to talk with your downloaded models. For example, I have Gemma 4 here. So if I don't want to use the terminal, I can use it here. But again, that's not what we want. So let me show you what we really want. Just open your terminal. I have one ready here. And we have to do a couple of commands. So first of all, I just want to show you that I already have a model, so I'll be just showing you how to install a model with a command. Let's start with Ollama list, and as you can see, I have Gemma 4 latest ready to go. This is how you can see your models once you download them and then pick and choose between them. So next is let's choose a model. So we go to models here. Let's see what they have here. All right. So I heard this model is really good and it's really popular right now. And it's relatively small in size. So let's go with the latest here. And we go to our terminal, and to download it, we just have to press Ollama pull and then the name. Once we do that, as you can see, it's pulling the model. We already have a model, we have Gemma 4 latest, and this is gonna take 16 minutes. I don't have 16 minutes, so let's cancel this. Just do this command, Ollama run, and then the name of the model that you have. So Gemma 4 2 points latest, and once we do that, we'll be greeted with this. Now we can chat with our own model locally using Ollama. So just send a message, for example, hello, and wait for it to respond. Again, this all depends on your own PC and what you have. For me, it takes a while at first, but then it becomes really fast. While it's doing right there, that's how you can run models locally using Ollama. And look, it responded. Great. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and see you next time. Goodbye.